Well, welcome back to Channel Ron. Today I want to talk real quick about YouTube and basically the ad suitability on when you go ahead and you upload your video. There's a few guidelines that you need to follow. And I've been doing this since 2014, and a lot of people ask me, why do you even bother? YouTube shuts down everything, and YouTube this and YouTube that. Well, I don't have a problem with YouTube because I follow the guidelines. And that's one of the biggest problems that I hear from people. They won't allow you to do anything. Well, what is it that you want to do on YouTube? I mean, I don't see other people have much of a problem. But real quickly, there's about 11 things here. On the website, I think there's like 14 things that go into more detail. All you got to do is follow a few rules. It's their platform, okay? If you don't like it, go start your own platform and do whatever you want there. But I just got a little list here that just kind of goes over just a couple of things. Inappropriate language. I mean, come on. I mean, this is open to everybody, and you want everybody to be comfortable when you're watching these videos. So just behave yourself. I mean, just use. There's a time and a place to act like an animal and use language. Just be good on that, and you'll be fine. Adult content, yeah, I mean, I can see that's all over YouTube. I mean, basically, you got people wearing next to nothing, watering the garden, they're getting all kinds of views. You put some clothes on. Violence, yeah, stay away from it. Just stay away from it. It's not good. Now, all they're asking you to do is check off the things on your YouTube channel that you are currently doing. It's not a big deal. I mean, they're probably still going to let you upload it, but they may not monetize you on that. Shocking content, okay, situations that may upset or disgust or shock viewers. I don't have that problem, so, you're going to have to kind of think about this. What is your channel about? What is the video that you're doing? Harmful acts, unbelievable, unreliable claims. That one there is a bit of a problem I see all the times. People making these sensational discoveries on free electricity and so forth. I think that's kind of what they're talking about there. Oh, this is a good one. Recreational drug content. I don't see it as much, but I'd see people just smoking, dope, just doing that kind of stuff. Why? Why? Okay, if you want to do that, create your own platform. Enabling dishonest behavior. Okay, I guess that kind of goes along with the unreliable claims. People doing things that really aren't real. All right, now I understand making mistakes when you're doing a how-to video. I've done that. Someone will correct me and say, do you mean you meant to do this and you mean this tool? I understand that does happen, but to actually go and do it on purpose, that's a different situation. Hateful content, just don't go down there and vent. I'm not venting, I'm just helping you understand that these are the things that you just need to follow if you want to be monetized on YouTube and make a few extra bucks. Firearm related content, it's all kinds of stuff out there. People that are repairing firearms and that type of stuff. I understand, but just be careful on how you do it and what the purpose is. Sensitive events, dealing with war, what's going on right now, death, tragedy, and stuff like that. Stay away from it. If you have no reason to be there, just don't do it. If you feel that passion about it, work for a company that deals with that. Go to the news and deal with it there. Let them take care of all the legalities and so forth. Last one I have here is the controversial issues. Sensitive topics and so forth. Again, if you feel that passion about it, go work for a company that will, stand behind you and let them deal with all legalities. If you want to make money, just follow these simple guidelines and I think you'll be fine. If you go on the website, over to YouTube, there's a whole list of things and it breaks everything down in detail, advertise friendly content guidelines. Just go there, read down through there, and you should be fine. Now, at the bottom of the list, when you go and upload your video, it's just going to ask you to check them off. Again, it's not going to mean you're not going to be monetized. They just want to know. Some of the stuff they will demonetize you on the stuff. But for the most part, I think they just want to know so they can make sure that they can deliver it to the right audience rather than just kind of going all out there. Other than that, you should be good to go. So I kind of hope this helps. I know I get a lot of grief from friends and family saying, why are you wasting your time? And YouTube doesn't allow you to do anything. Well, I'm not having a problem only because I'm following the guidelines. Now, if I stop following the guidelines, then yeah, I'm probably not going to make any money. So, well, I hope this helps you on your journey into the YouTube world, and we'll see you next time.